I have been away for months. I believe I'm back. If I leave for another month or two, it's because of schoolwork. Today, it's really about getting productive. I have been slacking off. I want to get a lot of things done. I want to be productive me, because when I'm productive, I feel accomplished. It is the morning time, and I was planning to go for a run, because not only do I feel like mentally drained, I also feel like physically. I haven't worked out in months. The last time I posted, oh, I'm at the gym, that was in the summertime. It's been months since I've gone to the gym, and I feel it. We're actually gonna do a workout today. Also, I've realized that in my tuition for university, I'm paying for like the athletic side, and I'm not even using the gym at school. So like, you know, it's a good $200. I might as well just use it. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I need to start using what I pay for. I'm gonna do a quick workout, but before I do my workout, I'm just going to clean up my room, because guys, can I just show you the state of this room? Do you see the state of this room? The other day, I actually fixed my sweaters and stuff, and I put it in like a rainbow formation, because I feel like I was just losing my creative side when it comes to outfits. And then I also folded like up here. I just need to fold these green pants better, put it up there. So all I gotta do is really just fix up that stuff. So I'm officially done cleaning. It's looking way better. I do leave my books here because sometimes I switch out the stuff I need for each day of school, because each day of school is different for me. And I'm also gonna do my work later anyways. Yeah, this place is looking way better. Now I'm going to just get a small breakfast, and then I will do my workout. I think I should eat cereal. Let's go. This slaps.
Back to center. Narrow.
Guys, I just finished my workout. That was actually a good workout, bro. I realized how like unfit I am. I was still doing the workout, but like I need to do it constantly. I feel like if I do it every day for a whole week, I'm gonna see improvements in my body. Right now I'm not really sweating like that. It was 20 minutes. It wasn't that intense. It was more so like squats and push-ups. There wasn't a lot of dynamic, like, you know, movements. If I were to like run first, then come back, do the workout, bro, if I do that for a week, not only will it become a habit, but it will also, like, I will see a difference in my body. I'm gonna go take a shower. Currently it's 12:17 p.m. So, you know, we still have the whole day, but this whole like morning, like cleaning up and working out, that took quite a lot of time. I will also roll up this mat. I actually really like this mat. Like, if my sister didn't buy this when she was like trying to get into her healthy era, like if she didn't buy it, then I would be using the floor right now. And I don't know how I feel about that. Alright guys, so I already showered. I have my fit on. I have my pink pants and then my gray crew neck. Am I gonna eat food first? I might actually eat food. Yeah, I'm gonna make a sandwich. And I just remembered I have a scholarship interview. Well, I didn't just remember, but I forgot to mention that I have a scholarship interview at 6 p.m. Praying that I get the scholarship, because you know, more money is good. More money is nice. Yesterday I did watch like interview tips and tricks. So I do feel ready. I just have to be confident. I have to be confident. So yeah, I'm gonna go make food. Okay, there's rice. There's like rice and then stew. I am feeling egg, but also it's past breakfast. So I think I might just eat the rice. Okay y'all, I got my food. It's giving takeout. I feel happy that I worked out, because if I was just like, I just woke up, showered, then I'm eating food. Like, that is why I'm trying to make working out a habit, a daily routine, because it will make me feel better when I, you know, actually get ready and eat food, because I know I worked out. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this food, watch a little bit of YouTube. I'm getting somewhere. No, I'm almost done. I'm almost done. It's just my thoughts are a bit. This specific assignment has to be between 3 to 5 pages. I could end at 3. But the thing with me is that anytime I'm given a task and you tell me I have a max amount of pages or words, I'm gonna get up to that max. It's gonna be obviously quality, but I feel this need to get up to the max so that I know I've gone above and beyond. Like, that is just who I am. I'm on the 5th page. So I feel like when I cut it down, I might be like 4.5 pages, or it might be straight up 5 pages, which I don't know how I'd feel about that, because I'm gonna add footnotes. So that's gonna take up, you know what? I think I'm just doing too much. I think I'm doing too much, because this assignment is worth, okay, it's worth 10%. That's a lot. I'm not gonna lie. You know what? I'm just gonna go above and beyond. But I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna finish my thoughts. Like, I'm gonna finish writing down my thoughts, then edit like crazy. And then hopefully I'll finish before 3 p.m. Right now it's 1:45. Guys, I am done my assignment. Almost. This is like part A of the assignment, and then this is like part B is like on the next page. So it's like here. I have 5 solid pages. I just need to do the footnotes. I'm not gonna lie, this assignment, well, all my papers just feel very like, oh my gosh, am I gonna get this done? But this one just felt really different. Like, I was just like, bro, like, what am I actually gonna do? But I talked about what I wanted to talk about, which is so important when you're going into any like paper. You wanna talk about what you wanna talk about. But I am done. I am officially done. I can't believe it. And it's still due on Sunday. So technically I can still wait till Sunday, but I'm not gonna do that. My scholarship meeting is in 45 minutes. I'm going to throw on an outfit. Probably gonna wear a cardigan, a nice t-shirt, and set up my space now. I'm just gonna bring that desk forward, and then I'm gonna be sitting here, and then I'll have my iPad obviously situated on the desk. Also, my iPad is on 99%. It was charging this whole time while I was doing the work. So yeah, I just feel very like, I feel like I got a lot done. I'm really happy. Guys, when I tell you downstairs is so loud. Everyone is on the phone. I literally told my mom, bro, I got an interview soon. And she was like, oh, okay. And she ended the call. But now my dad is on a call. But he's pretty quiet, which is surprising. So it's fine. This door here is actually really nice because the minute you close it, and then my brother's in the other room screaming on his PlayStation, bro. I'm gonna go there right now. But it's fine because the interview is in 30 minutes. But yeah, this door and also the walls are very soundproof, which I like. But still, it's annoying because it's like you would want the house to be pin drop silence so you can think, but it's okay. So what am I wearing? I could wear this cardigan. So in terms of the t-shirt, honestly, I'm just gonna wear this black long sleeve. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this kind of smells weird. No, it's fine. I'm gonna wear this black long sleeve, this cardigan, and obviously I'm gonna leave these pants on because I'm trying to be comfy. And I also want to just take notes on what I want to say because yesterday I watched videos about the possible questions. So I just need to have notes about, oh, this is what I can bring up. The question that's gonna get me, guys, is why do you deserve this scholarship? Bro, that question right there is gonna get me. Why do you deserve this scholarship? Well, great question. Okay, maybe I can say, well, aside from my academic, no, see, I can't bring up no, I'm not gonna bring, maybe I can say, I believe I deserve the scholarship because I'm an ambitious and driven student But not only am I a driven and ambitious student, but I'm also an individual who wants to see change happen in the world. And I believe this scholarship will give me this opportunity to fund my career and fund my endeavors in a way that I can continue to impact those around me. Okay, wait, that kind of sounds good. I'm not gonna lie, that kind of sounds good. I might play back the video, note it down, or maybe it'll just be in my head. I might reword it differently. Anyways, guys, let me change. Guys, I'm kind of nervous because, you know, I've never been in a scholarship interview. The last scholarship I had, I didn't have to be in a interview. They just chose me. I'm just like, okay, bet. But I've never actually had a scholarship interview. But I don't know, I feel like it's gonna be chill. Ooh, should I wear these earrings my mom gave me? My mom gave me these Joe Fresh earrings that my dad bought her first, and then she was like, yeah, I don't like it. So she gave it to me. I just want to look professional and put together. Hey, okay, it's in 20 minutes. Hey, shh. No, it's 5:35. That was my alarm to remind me about the scholarship. Now it's in 25 minutes. Yes, 25 minutes. That was scary. I just saw like some next guy. Okay. Oh, that's cute. I like it. Oh, these earrings are nice. I like these earrings. What? My nose is still kind of stuffy, so if I sound congested, I am. Guys, I love these earrings. I might actually just wear these earrings for fun. These are nice. Oh my gosh, you're joking. I feel like they just complement my face really nicely. In terms of the necklace, I'm gonna wear my simple gold chain of pearls. I love this one, though I do want to get like, no, I don't. I was about to say I want to get more necklaces, but like, actually no, I do, but I don't want it to be expensive, you know. My hair is in these braids because I wanted to re-dip it in water, but I didn't get the chance to do that today. What I can do, I don't have to take out the braids though. I could literally just keep it back in a bun. I could. Like, nobody's telling me to take out the braids. Okay, you know what? I have my phone here. I'm just gonna like, yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep it in a bun. I think I do look better in a bun, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I have a pretty, like, big head. So when I keep my hair and like, when I put my hair down, it definitely like shows. But if I put all my hair up in like slick backs or like, not slick backs, but like, you know, I put my hair to the side, make it look elegant, I feel like my face comes together. Even when I have my natural hair, like when I keep it all like slick back and whatever, I don't know, it makes my face look smaller. So that's what I'm starting to realize. Yeah, I have a pretty big head. It's something I'm insecure about, I'm not gonna lie. But also there's things I can do about it. I just don't do it. So I think I should need to start doing it because this is ridiculous. That's cute. There's a bit of a bump here, but this is cute. I'm not gonna lie, this is cute. See how like my face like comes together? You already know. But yeah, this is the look. Very comfy. I love these earrings. These earrings are cute. I really do like these earrings. This is cute. Oh wow, this is nice. I like these earrings. I don't know why I don't own my own hoops. Like, if it wasn't for my mom giving me these earrings, I wouldn't have owned hoops. So, first time for everything. It seems like hoops complement my face really well, which is nice to know. This is the fit. I have like 20 minutes. I'm just going to do the note thingy I told you guys about. Note down my possible answers, probably on a piece of paper. Yeah, probably on my notebook. And then practice that, look at more interview stuff. I really want this money, guys, if you couldn't already tell. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Guys, I'm officially done. That interview was a lot, but they told me from the get-go, bro, like, this is a very informal interview. I'm just like, thank the Lord. I was stuttering, but I think I made my point across. I came off as pretty confident, but also humble. There's some points where I was like, you didn't, I mean, there's nothing I didn't say that was wrong. It's just like some words I was like, bro, I didn't really have to say this. But I think I think I did good. and they said that they'll get back to me by Wednesday. So hopefully I get it. But yeah, right now I'm gonna change out of this cardigan, earrings, and I'm going to get food. 6:20. Hopefully I'll be done my history analysis by today. But yeah, I'm gonna get food because I'm hungry. Like, I ate like 5 hours ago. So yeah. Guys, I'm downstairs. Hey, there's pizza pockets. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm wearing this shirt because I got it from a U of T event back in orientation week. It was like the campus club. So this is like the TEDx U of T. If you're wondering why this shirt looks so strange, it's very much strange. I'm actually gonna throw a hoodie over it. But guys, I am literally feeling myself with these earrings. These earrings are my new things, and they were just $10. They look good with hoodies, cardigans, t-shirts like this. Like literally, guys, I'm chilling, and these hoops are eating. They're eating. They're eating, guys. It's these moments where I'm like, why didn't I get hoops sooner? Like, guys, it's just giving like rich girl. It's giving like, guys, these earrings boost my mood like times 10. I don't know what it is. These are my new, guys, I can't even explain it. I never knew hoops could look this good on me. I honestly didn't know. I'm just happy I got my hoops. I'm done my interview, and I'm done my history assignment, though I have to do the footnotes. I'm gonna close out this video. Probably gonna eat some cereal, like, and then work on all the stuff I need to work on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below other video ideas you'd like to see from me. I'm really trying to get back on YouTube. I think I am back. I really missed YouTube, so yeah. And yeah, I will see you all next time for another video. Bye.